Working with independent contractors and want to pay them through ADP? If you're worried about accidentally treating them as employees for tax purposes, you're not alone. Today, we're adding a contractor in ADP correctly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Contractors are paid differently than employees. They receive a 1099 NEC form at year-end, not a W-2, and no taxes are withheld from their pay. The key: use the correct worker type. When adding a new worker in ADP, carefully select Contractor, Independent Contractor, or 1099 MISC/NEC as their worker classification. Do not add them as an employee. This ensures ADP handles the tax reporting correctly. The process: enter their information. You'll need the contractor's legal name or business name, address, and taxpayer identification number, TIN, or social security number. Then, you can pay them via single-use check or direct deposit through the contractor payment process. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: have a signed W-9 form on file first. Before paying any contractor, they must complete a Form W-9. This form provides their correct TN/SSN and address, which you'll need for ADP and for filing the 1099 NEC at year-end. This is non-negotiable for compliance. So, just like that, you can pay contractors efficiently while maintaining proper tax classification. Correct setup goes a long way in avoiding costly misclassification penalties. Now I'm curious, what's the main type of contractor work you use in your business? Creative, technical, or consulting? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.